Ladies and gentlemen, Shania Twain.
Back through the years I go wandering once again, back through the seasons of my youth. I recall a box of rags someone gave us, and how my mama put the rags to use. There were rags of many colors, and every piece was small. And I didn't have a coat, and it was my way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, so in every piece of love, she made my coat in many colors that I was so proud of. My coat in many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags, but I wore it so proudly. I know we had no money, but I was rich as I could be, in my coat in many colors my mama made for me. So with patches on my breeches and holes in both my shoes, in my coat of many colors, I hurried off to school, just to find the others laughing and making fun of me, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. But they didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see that one is only poor only if they choose to be. I know we had no money, but I was rich as